What
I
you
hear you
chewing
chewing,
on?
I know it.
What you got in your mouth? Hmm? Mom, what you got in your mouth? You got a ginger in your mouth?
Okay.
Did you give her a ginger? Yep. Yes, ma'am. Is her teeth in good? They're clicking. Is that what, I thought that was her mouth.
No,
Are your
she
teeth
bites
in
on.
good?
She bites on the ginger. Teeth come down.
What's the baby name? I thought it was Emily.
Priscilla.
Okay, Emily Elizabeth Priscilla. Emily Elizabeth Priscilla. Now that's ghetto, Mama Louie. That's definitely ghetto. Now you done reached the climax. I didn't think you had it in you.
Oh boy. She has three names. So she has three names, huh?
That's about as ghetto as my sister named my niece Sherelle Shantae Renee. What was wrong with you? All them S's. Sherelle and Shantae, she's been better than. And then it rhymed too, ghetto. Pretty much. About as ghetto as me naming my son Roman, that's ghetto too. Somebody should have pulled me in the corner. Look, when you name your child now, make sure they can get a job. Exactly.
That's right. My Bobby's daughter, she uses her middle. She said, is T. What's her middle initial?
Who?
Middle name. Taisha's middle name.
Oh, I don't know.
It's a common middle name.
Marie or something?
I think it's. I'm not sure if it's Marie. I'm not sure, but she used her middle name, and she put T in, and that's how she gets a job. That's how she got a job.
Who is that? She just used the initial.
Taisha. Because what they do, they profile you.
They do.
Taisha, what kind of name is that? That's a, yeah. Taisha. That's what I was telling her the other day, all the names with A on the end of it. Kikiyaka, whatever. They just keep coming up with all, and they have 3 or 4 syllables on it. And end with A.